Hi, this is Walt Simpson with Movement Mortgage. I'm just sitting at home, relaxing after another great day of helping my clients achieve the American dream of home ownership. And I'd like to encourage you to register for this week's Agent Mastermind class. This is the largest online community of realtors in the country, and they share information weekly on things like Evernote, Google+, social media management, video marketing, and more. Of course, there's never anything to buy, and you even gain access to a large Facebook community of realtors who share information daily on improving your business. Just click on the video to register. And before I go, I would like to thank those who have taken the time to give me feedback on the classes I've attended so far, and to encourage anyone out there who has an idea for a class to please pass it along to me. We're always looking for new ideas for classes. Enjoy the class. I'm Walt Simpson with Movement Mortgage, and as always, I'm dedicated to your success.